Sis, self-care doesn't have to cost you a whole ton of money. That is why today I will be sharing with you my low budget maintenance day at home that includes nails, lashes, and brows. And I'll be doing all of that while sipping on this homemade mocktail because over here we keep it classy. So cheers! Hey sis, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Belbianadite, award-winning journalist. And over here on this channel, we do make beauty, soft life, and living healthy very affordable. Okay, so sis, maintenance day is very important, but it shouldn't leave us broke. We should be able to look beautiful, feel beautiful, and still have some money to save or eat. So today, we are keeping it soft, beautiful, and budget-friendly right at home. So stay tuned. First up, nails. So this is everything I'll be using, and all of these products are linked to my Amazon storefront. Now, press-ons are very easy to do and can last you up to 2 weeks, but the secret is actually the prep. You need to file your nails and use alcohol to remove any extra oils, so by the time you apply the glue, it's going to stick and last longer. So this is the whole process I'm doing. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial video on step-by-step application of press-on nails, and I'll be willing to share with you. This process is really easy. As you can see, I'm all done. This took me under 10 minutes to do, and now I'm just going to use my top coat. This is just to give it that gel nails finish, and it's gonna look like I'm fresh out of a beauty parlor. You get what I'm saying? So as you can see, it's looking all beautiful, all clean. I'm just gonna add some mist to it as I will moisturize my hands as well. And look at that. Tell me I did not just spend $80 on this, but no. Now for brows. I don't know if it's just me, but some days they are twins, other days they come out looking like distant cousins. But this little kit actually makes me feel polished without makeup. It's quick and easy, and it can last for weeks. So let's tint his brows, and I pray I don't come out looking permanently shocked. So to get the best result, you start off by trimming off any extra hair from your eyebrows, just shaping it how you love it. And after mixing the two products together, you just go in and apply on your eyebrows just the way you like. Remember, brows are always frenemies. They're never the same. Sometimes I really don't know how to achieve the right shape I want. That's why I go in with some concealer just to shape it, just to shape it so it looks like something. And after 5 minutes, I just simply clean off the extra products on my face and shape it some more. It's okay if you don't get the right result on the first try. You can always try again like I did. That's why I'm going to reveal at the end of this video. We're going to figure out the brows later on. Let's just dive straight into the lashes. Listen, I really don't have 3 hours of my time to sit at a salon to get my lashes done. So I'd rather just do it for myself at home, and this takes less than 10 minutes. And this DIY lash extension kit is a game changer. It is equally linked on my Amazon storefront, so you could just simply click on the link on my bio and grab it. Very easy to do. Did you know that DIY lashes can actually save you over $1,000 a year compared to salon extensions? If this happens, just stay calm and take it easy, and you get it. See that? Very easy. Brow review. So sis, that's it. Nails, lashes, brows, all done at home. This proves that you don't actually need a salon bill to feel beautiful. You just need patience, the right kit, and a glass of mocktail. So you see, self-care isn't about how much you spend, it's about how you show up for yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, drop in the comments what are your favorite self-care hacks or beauty maintenance hacks that keep you going budget friendly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share as much as you can, and stay tuned for more beauty and life hacks.